My name is Victoria Lamar. I'm in the Health Wellness Fitness program here at UW-Stout, and most people call me Tori. Biology, anatomy and physiology, health classes and gym classes really inspired me to do the Health Wellness Fitness program. The other thing that gave me so much passion for this program is being a 3-sport athlete in high school. One thing neat about the Health Wellness Fitness program is that we have a whole bunch of different core classes. So we got like our nutrition core, health science core, and then we also have like business core classes, marketing, which gives us that edge in the real world and to other competitors when we apply for a job. The professors here at UW-Stout are awesome. The cool thing about Stout is that class sizes are 25 students or less, and that gives professors a chance to know my name, for me to ask questions, and for them to really care. My polytechnic learning experience here at UW-Stout has prepared me for my future. For example, learning how to do CPR, measuring vitals, blood pressure, pulse, measuring body fat, going into the weight room and learning how to lift correctly, and also like wrapping ankles, learning how to ice properly, things like that. That makes it really fun. Stout really encourages networking for their students, and they also encourage to pick one thing other than school. Just be involved, whether it's in the community base, in a student org, a club, and that really prepares you to interact with people in the future. What I love about the Health Wellness program here at Stout is that whatever you learn in these classes, you can always apply it not only to your future career, but also to your personal life. If any of you are interested in health, exercise, sports, helping others, getting involved, you should really consider the Health Wellness Fitness program here at UW-Stout.